Aero-Mach TCO manufactures aircraft static dischargers built for reliability and performance you can trust. Manufactured in Wichita, Kansas, our FAA PMA products are installed on certified aircraft across the general aviation fleet, including current production models from Beechcraft, Cessna, and Cirrus. Built from stainless and nickel-plated steel, Aero-Mach TCO static dischargers are designed to withstand harsh environments and long-term use. Our two-piece design improves serviceability by allowing the discharge element to be replaced without removing the mounting base, reducing labor and aircraft downtime. Trusted by OEMs, maintenance organizations, and aircraft owners, Aero-Mach TCO products are rigorously tested and built to comply with MIL D-9129D standards. Most products are in stock and ready to ship. Aero-Mach TCO, precision built, ready when you need it.